Hi, I'm Michael Duarte, Director of the Duarte Academy and co-author of the Slideology Workshop. In the Slideology Virtual Workshop, you'll learn how to take your otherwise bad slides, those crazy complicated slides, and to create good slides, using principles of design to start to think, to speak, and yes, even work like a designer. We're going to start by moving off of the screen and onto paper. In the process of going analog, we're going to remove those limitations of technology and allow your mind to be creative and think visually. And then you'll get a glimpse into the day-to-day life of a Duarte designer. You'll learn about space, this repeatable framework that you can apply to your own slide design challenges. And we'll teach you how to use the glance test, a tool that you can use again and again to diagnose your own slides. You'll start to understand why some slides work and some slides don't. In this interactive collaborative workshop, we're going to use a case study to analyze before and after slides. We'll work in small groups to discuss our sketches, and we'll start to learn how to overcome design challenges leveraging the SPACE methodology. The techniques you're going to learn in this workshop are based on what we've learned supporting some of the greatest brands in the entire world over the past 30 years. You'll learn how to align the visuals that you share with the words that you say. You'll have an approach and a mindset to start to overcome some of those design challenges that you face on a day-to-day basis. We hope you join us for this virtual workshop, and we'll see you soon.